Welcome back to my channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be recreating this gorgeous makeup look for New Year's Eve. It's going to be a perfect look for your Christmas, New Year, New Year's Eve. It's going to be perfect if you're going to go and have some fun and party after New Year. If you're interested in how to get this makeup look done, then please stay tuned and let's get started. I did have camera my routine. I know that the colors of this year, if you want to celebrate and you want to embrace this year with positive energy, then the colors are gray, blue, pink, and white. So I'm wearing blue, pink, white. I'm not sure if my rings counts because it's silver. I'm gonna be playing with Simple Beauty, the Painter's Palette by Beth Painter. If I'm mistaken, it's out of stock, but if you have this palette, you can use it. If you don't, you can use something from Simple Beauty, or you can use Beauty Bay palettes as well. We're gonna be playing with black shadows today. I wanna make sure that I have really nice base. I am using NYX HD Primer. You can use a brush to set the primer or your finger, doesn't really matter. Each year I'm so excited about New Year. Sometimes I have really great year. Like 2019 is probably one of my favorite years I've had. I got married this year, I graduated my university, moved to our apartment, we separated from parents. My husband quit his job and he found another one, much better job. I started my own channel. Positive changes. I would love to use this NYX Lingerie professional makeup. This lipstick can be used as a base, like an eyeshadow base, or it can be also used as a lip base. The best thing is that it's not sticky. It's so soft and matte when you apply it. I'm gonna use Spot Color. Spot Shade is perfect for this routine. Tap off and get this all over the lid. I would definitely need some paper to prevent from fallouts. The color Smoky is going to be the main shade today. I would need some small, tiny, precise brush. Let's use a little bit like pen brush first, and then we shall see if we need something else. I need Smoky shade. I'm gonna get it over the pen and then tap off. Again, get a little bit more, tap off. And I'm gonna repeat this a few times. We need to get this into my brush. The first place is inner corner. I don't really want to bring this really high. I'm gonna keep it right here. I would need a little bit more color and I would need to do this the same way. Let me show it on camera real quick. What I do, I grab a little bit of shade, tap off. Again, I grab a little bit of shade, tap off. Make sure that I don't have anything black. Grab the same shade and place it in this area. It does look rough. It feels rough. I'm getting to the pointy brush and it has some black leftovers. That's why I am going over with no color. At first, we need to blend a little bit, but do not do anything else. We don't really need any color. We're gonna need to focus on the blendability. This brush is going over the same black color. I'm not bringing the shade higher or lower. I'm focusing the shade over the same black spot that we already have. Curry's brush. Let's get this color over this black one. I'm going back with a pen brush and the same black color. I'm gonna tap a little bit, use the same protection from fallouts. I would need to stamp this black shade a little bit more over the places that diffused a lot. A little bit precise movement here. And Spot Color one more time, and then I'm diffusing the shade. Line a little bit. I'm not bringing black shade too high. It has to stop somewhere like where your crease starts. It's really important to focus your shades on the same place. You don't really need to use any micellar water to clean something in between. But if it turned out to be really messy in between, you can use some micellar water, pat with primer, and then apply a little bit more of some soft colors, soft shades. You can create the same makeup look with different colors, not black. Black is really hard to work with. That's why my recommendation is to go for something softer, maybe a dark pink or something green. It can be any color that you love, and you just need to split the shade, and that's pretty much it. That's the look. With a flat brush in the same spot color, you need to pat the color. Do not rub it, just pat it. Final step. Again, I'm going to the same spot color. Fluffy brush. Let's just brush it with the same shade. And of course, I would need some black pencil on the waterline. I need a little bit smaller pen brush. The same black shade. Ooh. Always make sure that black color is well blended. It's like really important. The main idea of this look is to go back and forth between brushes and between two colors, main shades, black and something really soft. I really want to do a little bit of liner, just, outline my lash line. Really soft. I'm not creating any line. Today I'm using I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara from Essence. Honestly, I was thinking, should I add a little bit more glitter? And the answer is yes. I was thinking about black glitter. Like that. I'm gonna repeat the same process for my left eye. You can check out this in my shorts. And I'll be right back to conclude the video with my lips. I want to do something nude for this black eyes. That's why we're gonna just play with the same shade that we used for my eyes, and then I'm gonna mix it with a little bit kind of pinky nude. This one is from like Vivienne Sabo, and I would need some lip liner from Eveline, if I'm not mistaken, or Avalon, whatever. I have no idea. All the products are gonna be listed down below in the description box. Don't worry. While my lipstick is wet, I'm using some lip liner. And the final touch is my final lipstick. This one is a little bit nude and pinky. Look at that. Feel like it's a little bit heavy. That's why I love this hack when you kiss a paper and you take off this glossy finish. That's pretty much it, guys. I am obsessed with this really beautiful soft makeup look. I love black eyeshadows. I love when it's dark glam, let's say, and I hope you're gonna love it as well. This year was a tiger. I mean, like, tiger is always but next year is gonna be like cat and rabbit cat year, so I hope that it's gonna be really a calm year. I mean, my 2019 was a pig year, and pig, as we all know, is given birth to so many small pigs. That's why it was really productive year. I hope that cat and rabbit is going to be pretty much the same, because rabbits, they love reproducing. That's why I hope the next year is going to be a productive year for all of us. I hope so, and I'm going to see you in my next video. That's going to be probably next year. Bye bye.